Welcome to Pantai Hospital. Welcome to Pantai Hospital Kuala Lumpur. Please make yourself comfortable.
Good morning. Thank you for coming today. We hope you are doing well and feeling comfortable.
My name is Nur Adarna Aisha, and I'm the nurse manager for the pediatric ward. And with me,
And I am Nur Atila Najla, a senior staff nurse in the pediatric department. Today, we will be interviewing you for the position of the pediatric nurse.
so this interview will take you about 15 minutes. We ask you a few questions, and later you have a chance to ask us a question as well.
Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity.
So let's begin with introduction. Candidate 1, please introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Umairah and I recently graduated with a diploma in nursing. During my clinical training, I had experience in several departments, including pediatric, and I really enjoy working with children and supporting their families, which is why I'm interested in this position.
Thank you, Candidate 1. Candidate 2.
Good morning. My name is Norris Inshira. I am graduated from Diploma in Nursing. I have clinical experience, including pediatrics, and I am passionate about caring for children and supporting their families.
Thank you, Candidate 2 and Candidate 3.
Good morning. My name is Amira Sofia. I recently graduated with a diploma in nursing and had pediatric postings in semester 2 and semester 4.
Thank you, Candidate 3.
Okay, thank you all candidates. Candidate 2, can you explain your educational background?
I recently completing my nursing studies with exposure to several departments, such as medical, maternity, and pediatrics. My training helped me build basic nursing and communication skills.
Thank you. Candidate 1, how has your course prepared you for this role?
My course gave me both theory and hands-on experience. During my pediatric posting, I learned about childcare, medication, and how to communicate with children and their parents. It helped me become more confident and prepared for this role.
Thank you.
Okay, so candidate 3, what skills do you have that are relevant to this role?
So I believe one of my strengths is patience and communication. During my pediatric posting, I learned how to calm anxious children and communicate clearly with the parents. So I also work well in a team environment.
So, Candidate 2, can you describe a task you handled during training?
During my training in pediatric ward, I assisted with vital signs, basic care, and comforting children during the procedures. It helped me become more patient and confident while doing the procedure to the children.
Thank you.
Okay, candidate 3, tell us about the time you faced a challenge.
So one challenge I faced was caring for a child who was very anxious and crying during the vital signs assessment. So it was difficult to calm them at first, but I managed to reassure the child and gain their trust.
Okay, so how did you handle it?
I stayed calm and spoke in a friendly tone, even using a cartoon character the child liked to help them feel safer. And I also involved the parent to provide the reassurance and creating safer environments.
Okay. So, what did you learn from that experience?
I learned that emotional support is just as important as clinical skills, so it's especially in the pediatric care.
Okay, thank you, candidate 3. Candidate 1, what would you say is one of your strengths?
For me, one of my strengths is staying calm and patient, especially with children who are anxious or scared. I always try to handle situation carefully and ensure patient safety.
Thank you. Candidate 3, what about you?
One of my strengths is patience. I'm able to stay calm in stressful situations, especially when dealing with children. And I'm also a good listener, which helps me provide more compassionate care.
Thank you, candidate 3. Candidate 2, could you share one weakness?
I can be a bit self-critical, but I am learning to use feedback positively to improve myself.
Candidate 1, how about you? What is one area you are improving?
For me, one area I'm improving is my confidence. As a fresh graduate, I sometimes overthink my decision, but I'm learning to trust myself more while still being careful.
Okay, thank you, candidate 1. Candidate 1, what would you do if a child refuses treatment?
If a child refuses treatment, I would stay calm and speak gently. I would try to understand why they are scared and use simple explanation or distraction like toys. I would also involve the parents to help comfort the children.
Okay. Okay, candidate 2, what would you do if you make a mistake at work?
If I made a mistake, I would like to report it immediately, ensure patient safety, and learn from it to prevent it from happening again.
Thank you for all the candidates. Now, do any of you have a question for us? Candidate 1, do you have any question?
For me, I don't have any question.
Candidate 2?
Yes, I have a question. I would like to ask if there are any training or mentorship programs for new nurses in pediatric department.
Okay, I will answer. Okay, thank you for the question, Norris. Yes, we do provide training and mentorship programs for new nurses in the pediatric department. All new staff will go through an orientation program to learn about pediatric protocol, medication calculation, and emergency procedure. So each new nurse will also be assigned a senior nurse as a mentor. The mentor will guide and supervise them during procedure to ensure safety and help build confidence. So we also conduct regular continuing education session to enhance knowledge and skill pediatric nursing. So that's all.
Thank you for the
How about candidate 3? Do you have any question?
Yes, I would like to ask if is there any guidance available for new staff regarding the job scope and equipment placement?
So for this question, yes, new staff are guided through job scope briefing, SOP explanation, and hands-on training on equipment placement. Senior staff or supervisor will also assist them during the early stage to ensure everything is understood correctly.
Okay, thank you for answering my question.
Okay. Thank you for all candidates that attending today's interview. We appreciate your time.
So we will contact you regarding the next step.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank
Okay.
you.
For all the candidates, you can leave the teams right now.
Thank you.